Alex Johnson. I am making you this banana necklace. I went to at least 4 or 5 different stores looking for bananas. Get it? And I'm just gonna make me a matching one because I have the extra bananas. I think I'm gonna make you a bracelet too. And if you don't wear this, it's gonna break my heart. I swear. I hope you're still in love with your Chiquita bananas. You can wear it with your Halloween costume next year. I'll be looking for it.
When is he gonna receive this?
He's gonna receive this July 29th. Is that it? July 29th, Raleigh, North Carolina.
Riley.
Right, is that how you say it? Raleigh.
We had to buy a whole fruit.
We had to go to Michael's, which is ridiculous. We went seriously everywhere. Claire's, they only had a banana earring. I was like, what would he do if I gave him a banana earring?
Oh my gosh.
So
this is too much.
I know. We went on an epic search. Look at this. Look. All right, you're gonna put that in there. You slide it, and it latches on there, and then you got it. I should probably shorten it. It's kind of straight.
It's just like a long necklace with a little
banana and 2 little things on it.